After all this time, we finally have one. So I am definitely at this point the YouTuber who waited. Hello YouTube, I'm Dr. Fudgey, and you may remember a few months ago when we had a look at the online exclusive 14th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. Well, then I went on holiday when the regular version dropped, and it's taken me ages to get one at a reasonable price. I still ended up paying about 30 quid for it. Considering this one was 25, I don't know how much the regular one retailed for. I'm going to guess somewhere between 50 and 25. It can't be more than the online exclusive one. I can't see that happening. But there was a lot of comments on the video I did talking about the alternate colours that the online exclusive one had. I actually enjoyed reading all your comments and finding out that for once my videos actually helped people. So not only are we going to look at the regular one, but we're going to compare the two. So we'll start off with the boxes, and I'll use the zoom feature for once because we have a light. So, as you can see, the boxes are both the same shape. Okay, and the online exclusive one has that white and gold packaging that we saw for the regeneration figure set for the Power of the Doctor, whereas the regular release has a TARDIS at the very bottom. The shapes, that house the text are the same. Turn the light off so you can see the fact that the border here is thicker on the online exclusive one. The image at the bottom is the same, which we did mention last time. The text is also the same, just bigger here. We'll compare the two Sonics directly soon. The online exclusive has a more gold-like pattern, whereas the regular one has a more bluish pattern. The logo on the regular one is slightly darker, as a more, I want to say bluish crystal as opposed to a silver crystal, and the yellow doesn't pop as much. Although it doesn't show it well, it kind of shows it well there. Yeah, the text just isn't great on the one to the right. I don't know if that's just my copy. We'll take the online exclusive one out because it's not fastened in. The text is identical, just minus the online exclusive bit at the top, and the text is darker on this one, and the BBC logo is white instead of black. Same deal with the logo again. The regular one is lighter than the darker one, the online exclusive one. If we lean these up here, on the online exclusive one, the logo is on the left hand side, whereas on the regular release it's on the right hand side, and the Sonic is more central. The diamond, that's around the Sonic is not as prominent on the regular release as it is on the online exclusive one. You can't see it very well. I think that's just a lighting error on my part. Then there's no image of the 14th Doctor on the regular one. The text has changed. We'll read that out for you in a second. And the character options logo is different at the bottom, it's darker. You've still got your legal information. The bottom remains relatively the same, just a different colour. Okay, so we'll read the text out for you. I'll hold it here in case you want to read it and mute my voice. The sonic screwdriver remains one of the most iconic items associated with... Sorry, we've gone out of focus. There we go, the Doctor. The sonic screwdriver's base function is just that, a device that can use sound waves to do all manner of things. Throughout many of their lives, the Doctor has upgraded and improved it, enhancing its functionality and building in additional features as the design changed. Out of focus again, sorry. Features include projecting sound waves to lock or unlock doors and locks, frying, sorry. I'm not holding it very stable, it keeps going out of focus, I do apologise. Soldering components as well as disabling and activating technology. It can also be used as a scanner for medical applications. This latest model belongs to the 14th Doctor, and time will only tell what adventures he'll take it on. It was only 3, and he barely used it. So, I kind of, like, when it arrived, I think it arrived from China. One of the cables was already cut, so we'll just cut the second one. Oh god, it won't cut. Hang on. There we go. Actually, we don't need the scissors. So we don't really need the boxes, so we'll put them to the side. Ooh, they feel the same weight, which is nice. Where do we start? So I'll pull you off the tripod actually, because I think that's the easiest way to show you. And we'll turn the light on to show you what I mean. So the bronze elements at the bottom, when we focus, there we go, a lot shinier on the online exclusive, as well as the silver parts than it was on the regular one. None of us was expecting that to be any different. Then obviously that silver shiny, you know, the chrome plastic, and then this is more of like a creamy beige colour, whereas on the regular release they are actually the same colour. Right, let me just hold it close to my eye. Yeah, I think it may be like a slight change in the tint, but other than that it's all the same, except this is grey plastic, not chrome plastic, and the tip, the tip's different. So the tip on this one has a slightly blue tint, whereas the tip on the regular one it's just clear. If we, bloody hell, my one's very stiff. Then if we have a look at the little roundels, so let me try and zoom in here, or at least focus on it. They're clear, and on this one they are also clear. I am noticing though, do they have... Okay, so the pattern is still present throughout, with the ridges in the colander. The cylinder. Okay, so now we'll get into sounds. But first, when you twist the bottom bit here, that's the noise that makes. Then when you twist the new one, same noise. And again, for the battery pack, oh, hang on, it's not coming off. Eh? Oh, I'm very confused, people. I'm very confused. Taking the bottom off, it's got the button. What? Every like review and report I've seen of this Sonic so far said it didn't have the button. We've gone out of focus. Sorry. Come on, focus. No, you can't really see it on camera because it's tiny. There you go, the button is there. So we are going to have to test it out in a minute. That is very interesting. Imagine if I bought a fake Sonic, I'd actually cry. So, my copy, if we look at this one, you know, very... Sorry. Right, sorry about that, we're back. But yeah, as you can see, it flicks open, but with this one, it's very stiff, which I kind of like. Now, obviously the sounds are going to be the same. Here's the online exclusive. And here's the regular one. Oh, right, look at this, right? Look at when I let go and when the sound stops. I think this one's slightly dodgy. Either way, 2 clicks. And on this one. Okay, so they haven't upgraded the sound chip. That was 3. Oh, oh, hang on. That one's louder. Okay, so obviously you remember this little button, and what I've actually got on me is other sonic screwdrivers this time. So I won't have to just go, hey, it's kind of like this. I can kind of show you with one. But what I mean, here is the 9th Doctor's sonic screwdriver, nice and beige. And here is the beige from regular. And here is the beige from online exclusive. So you can see where I'm coming from with the cracking pattern if we zoom in. See that sort of cracking pattern? It's very nice. I think it was green. Here we go. Yellow. Right. There we go. From the 13th Doctor's sonic screwdriver version A. So we'll put it back now. So take this off. We can see my main gripe with this, other than the fact that it's a faulty button. Right, when the light goes on, you can only just see the light coming out because of the chrome plastic. Looking clear as day. Anyway, let's try 2 seconds. So, let me get this straight. It doesn't have the functionality, but they kept the button in. That's just lazy. That is pure lazy. Character, come on, I know you like to reuse molds, but this is getting as bad as your B&M TARDISes that don't have any bloody electronics in them, but you leave the battery pack component in. It's just a waste. Either way, okay. My prong here is a bit faulty and mine's too stiff for liking, but here's a size comparison. As you can see, it's taller. Oh, hang on, let me move the camera up. There we go. As we can see, it's taller than the other two. Had my Capaldi Sonic still work, I would show it, but it don't. Extended, I will do Dave Eccleston Sonic. Still shorter by a mile. I think the only Sonic that might be taller when it's fully extended would be the 11th Doctor Sonic, because it springs out at you. But yeah, other than that, in my opinion, okay, and I'm going to be completely honest here, the plastic on the online exclusive one seems more connected. This one, there's a very obvious seam, especially on that side, and when you both use them, it kind of illuminates the whole shaft on this one. Oh. I think I got a dodgy button, because look, instant, there's a delay. So mine being slightly faulty hampers my decision on the matter. Don't get me wrong, it's more screen accurate, because it was more of a grey than a shiny in the actual specials. But in terms of value for money, in my opinion, the online exclusive one is far superior. I'm going to be honest here. They're the same weight, they're the same Sonic mould, and they got the same black and beige parts. The only bit of difference is the bronze and silver parts are chrome plated. You know, the plastic chrome, not actual chrome. But the seam is more hidden on the online exclusive one, and there's not a delay. I mean, I'm going to put it down to just faulty wiring. What the f... You see that? Whoa, what was that? Have I just... Look. Tell me you see that as well. Look. I don't know how well that's picking up on camera. Did you not see it fading to red? This one doesn't do it. And actually the blue's more turquoise on this one. Alright, just discovered a mode I didn't realise I had. You see that, right? You see it flickering like a different colour. That's mad. I think I've actually broken the Sonic. That's really funny. This one's got faulty wiring. But yeah, all in all, the online retail exclusive one is far superior in my opinion, and it's actually cheaper. Ironically, you can get these on eBay now for around 25 quid. Well, between the 25 and 80 quid mark. This little shit goes anywhere from 30 to like 90 quid. Why? This one's more exclusive. Either way, at the end of the day, it's your choice if you are picking them up, but in my opinion, go for this one. Yeah, it's less screen accurate, but it's just nicer. I'm gonna be honest, it's a lot nicer. Yeah. Oh, hang on. The plastic's less like malleable in this. But yeah, they're both nice, even though they're technically the same Sonic. Just had mine been like 100% working order, I may have liked it a little bit more, but I think I still would have picked this one, purely because it's just nicer to look at. Whereas this one's more for like screen accurate cosplays, in my opinion. Plus you get the added bonus of the extra colours of this one, which just kind of makes it better. But is what it is. So until next time, have a good day, have a great day. I will see you in the next video, which isn't a Sonic Screwdriver video. I know! Amazing! Thanks for watching. Anything in the description is linked below, so Discord server, Instagram, Twitter, the whole lot of it. Bye.